Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue my lecture on leaf structure and function in chapter 2 form 5 in subtopic main organ for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis involved in two types of photosynthesis. First is light dependent reaction and second is light independent reaction. I will explain more detail after this. Right, this is a general view what happened in during the photosynthesis. Okay, photo means we have a source of light. Okay, we have a light energy from sunlight, and synthesis means the plant produce something or synthesize some things. In this case, we produce glucose. Okay, glucose. So LDR means light dependent reaction have sunlight. Okay, it depend on light. So here in that reaction we call light independent reaction LIR. So it not depends on light, the source of light. So what happen? The thylakoid will absorb the light from the sunlight, and then two evidence will be occur in during photosynthesis, which is 3E. Okay, 3E, electron, excite, and escape from the thylakoid to the stroma. Second evidence is photolysis of water. Okay, from H2O become H plus or H minus, become ion. Okay, this evidence of electron escape will produce ATP and later on will be used in the LIR or dark reaction. Meanwhile, H plus or H minus will be used or will be produce NADPH. Okay, NADPH. 3E will produce ATP, generate energy. Okay, later on, after the evidence happen, this evidence happen in the light dependent reaction, it will use in dark reaction or light independent reaction to produce sugar. Okay, to synthesize sugar. So ATP will be used to ATP and NADPH will be used in the sugar production. In the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay. So yeah, I will explain more detail in next slide. Okay, so here is of course, when we have a sunlight, it's like dependent reaction. Okay, so thylakoid already have electron. Okay, in thylakoid it has an electron. Okay, photosynthetic pigment or chlorophyll absorb light energy from sunlight. Next, light energy excite the electron. Excite here is means electron vibrate, vibration of energy or vibrate vigorously. It's not the excited you happy or whatsoever. It's about the high vibration of energy. The electron will vibrate vigorously. Okay, so electron will escape while it's excite. When electron excite, okay, undergo excite, so it will escape and or lost from thylakoids. Okay, so that's why electron will move from the thylakoid and to the stroma. Okay, move to the stroma, and this situation will use to generate ATP. Right after the excitement of the electron, it used for to generate ATP. Okay, next is photolysis. This second evidence in the light dependent reaction is photolysis. Photolysis. Photo means light. Lysis is breakdown. Breakdown of what? It uses the light energy to break down water molecule to become H plus and OH minus. The chlorophyll pigment attract electron from water H2O via photolysis. Okay, because of what? Because when electron escape from the thylakoid become unstable. Okay, thylakoid become unstable. So to be more stable, this electron from the photolysis replace the loss of electron from thylakoid. Okay, so it use the electron from the water molecule to replace the electron that escape from the thylakoid. Next, what will happen? Okay, OH minus. Okay, because water molecule consists of H plus and OH minus. Okay, OH minus lost electron and form O2 and water. Okay, it will lost to the surrounding or to the stroma, and it used to form oxygen and water. That's why the product will become oxygen and also water. And here is how the production of water and oxygen is happen. Okay, what about the H plus? Okay, so H plus was combined with NADP plus. Okay, what is NADP plus? Is an electron acceptor. Okay, that accept the electron that lost from thylakoid. And ADPH act as a reducing agent. Means reducing is receive. It receive the electron. Okay, so H plus was combined with NADP plus, or is known as coenzyme that carry H plus or H plus carrier become NADPH. If you notice yang saya tunjuk kat awal-awal tadi, dia ada macam ni. Bentuk macam ni kan, NADP plus tadi. Okay, ni NADP plus. Okay, so dia ada become a carrier. Later on, dia akan jadi macam ni. Kalau awak perasan kat depan-depan tadi, awak akan tengok kat depan balik. Okay, so dia nak bagi tahu is carry H plus. Okay, H plus carrier to become an ADPH. And later on, an ADPH ni akan digunakan in dark reaction to produce glucose. Okay. And now we move to the light independent reaction. Light independent means no need to have light. Okay, this reaction no need to have light. So what happened? CO2. Okay, CO2 here. Okay, from the surrounding, from the gases from the surrounding will enter to the leaf through stroma. Okay, are fixed before reducing to 6 carbon organic compound or carbohydrate unit. Okay, because carbohydrate unit is glucose is 6,6H12O6. So before that, before CO2 fixed to the 5 carbon organic, okay, before it becomes 6 carbon, it 5 carbon. 5 carbon organic compound. Organic compound. Okay, so when CO2 or carbon dioxide enter, it will fix and become 6 carbon organic compound. So it will call as glucose. Okay, ataupun carbohydrate unit. Alright, so now is a what we call chemical equation. Okay, balancing the chemical equation. So because glucose consists of C6, so semua kena ada 6. Okay, C tu kena 6, H tu kena complete 12. So dia kena balance lah dia punya chemical equation. Okay, next. Okay, awak ingat kan tadi waktu LIR akan dia produce ataupun generate ATP and also NADPH from the light reaction. Okay, so dia guna balik dalam light independent reaction. Okay, and NADPH and ATP from light dependent reaction reduce ataupun dia accept the reduce the organic compound to monomer which is glucose. Okay, dia guna balik NADPH ATP untuk reduce the organic compound to monomer glucose. Yang tadi tu lah organic compound is 6 carbon tadi. 6 carbon organic compound. Okay, to produce apa? To produce glucose. Okay, next glucose. Sebab kita akan ada banyak kan, is a granum, right? Granum is a stack of thylakoid tadi. Okay, for optimum photosynthesis. For sure, dia akan masukkan lot of glucose. So glucose plus glucose will be become polymerization. Okay, polymerization process. So it will condense and become starch. Okay, starch is stored in the stroma of chloroplast. Macam manusia juga, kan kita duk makan macam-macam, makan nasi lemak pagi, petang tu makan nasi, tengah hari makan nasi, petang pun makan nasi juga. So bayangkan banyak kan glukos dalam badan kita. So bila kita kumpul glukos yang ada, kita tak buat kerja, tak buat energi, dia akan simpan dalam bentuk glycogen dekat liver. Okay, lepas tu kalau tepu sangat, dia akan simpan dekat bawah kita punya kulit. Sama juga, dia akan menghasilkan polymerization bila banyak glukos terhasil. Okay, the comparison between light dependent and light independent reaction. Okay, see here, okay, ini ada light dependent LDR, ini light independent. In the term of ATP, okay, light dependent reaction produce ATP, meanwhile for light independent reaction use ATP. Okay, this produce, this use. Nama photosynthesis, dia akan produce. Okay, photosynthesis akan produce, dia akan build something. Okay, the reaction substance is water. That's why kita ada photolysis of water, involve photolysis of water. Okay, and the reaction product oxygen. Okay, the reaction product is oxygen water molecule. Meanwhile for reaction substance for light independent reaction, carbon dioxide, sebab awak tengok tadi like carbon dioxide akan masuk ke dalam chloroplast tadi. Okay, reaction product adalah glucose, kan? Betul. Okay, so site of reaction, light dependent reaction berlaku dalam thylakoids, and meanwhile LIR berlaku dekat stroma. Okay, so LIR dia involve reaction of carbon dioxide, meanwhile for LDR involve photolysis of water. Okay, so both them catalyzed by enzyme, okay, and take place in chloroplast. Okay, itu sahaja untuk topik ini.